Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a cute and easy to knit beautiful accessories for your bags, for your keys. All the keychains are easy to knit at home. These keychains are beautiful and cutest. Get ready to create a personalized accessories. So let's get started. To start, we will be using an yarn and a hook. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. Try adding some textures and pattern and make all the designs easily. Add some embellishments like button, which add a touch of elegance and style. Add some embellishments like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones, crochet work, flowers, and different accessories you use and decor your keychains easily. And please share your creativity with us on different social medias account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Attach the keyring and with your crochet work accessories, crochet work keychain, and make beautiful keychain easily. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet keychain is ready to use, ready to gift for your lovely ones, for your friends, for your relatives. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial videos and different pattern ideas. Please share your creativity with us on different social media account using hashtag. If you want more information about crochet work keychain tutorial, amigurumi animal crochet keychains design, mini crochet keychain design, floral crochet keychain DIY tutorial, and different, if you want to see different type of keychains ideas, if you want to see, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my full detailed video, full DIY tutorial. Please share your creativity with us, and please like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. Please like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts, and you share this video with your crochet work experts and customize your keychains easily. If you want to buy these keychains designs, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. Okay viewers, take care, thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Bye bye.